DFR is built for the way real teams work, on-site and in the office. That's why DFR offers streamlined, device-friendly views tailored to fit the needs of each user. For field personnel, DFR provides a mobile-optimized interface that's simple, fast, and intuitive and works seamlessly on phones and tablets. Everything your crew needs is just a tap away. From clocking in to uploading photos, selecting job activities, or adding notes. The layout is clean, focused, and designed to help workers input the right information in the right place, without scrolling through unnecessary fields. For office staff, the desktop view offers a more expansive layout, perfect for reviewing reports, managing projects, and inputting detailed data. Users can toggle between two powerful modes. Data input mode, for editing or adding key details like tags, labor classifications, and media notes. Report preview mode, for viewing a polished, compiled version of the daily field report with all images, tags, and captions directly displayed on the screen. This dual interface design allows field teams to stay fast and focused, office teams to review, refine, and manage with ease, and everyone to work within a layout that fits their role perfectly. No clunky workarounds, no device limitations. DFR delivers the right tools, on the right screen, at the right time. DFR, streamlined, affordable, and built for the way you work.